First they came for the communists, and I did not speak out because I was not a communist. And then they came for the socialists, and I did not speak out because I was not a socialist. And then they came for the trade unionists, and I did not speak out because I wasn't a trade unionist. And then they came for the Jews. I did not speak out because I wasn't a Jew. And then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak for me. Okay, so my name is Bob Priddle, and before retiring 9 years ago, I was a senior lecturer in horticulture based here at the college. And some years ago, it was my job to design this garden. And the overriding theme for me was that we had to include railway sleepers because that involved so much of the Holocaust stories of victims being taken to concentration camps in railway carts. And I wanted to use chains as a symbol of bondage, but I wanted the chains to be broken, almost to create an idea of hope. I knew the garden had to be fairly simple in structure, in that it used mainly almost like a monochromatic feel, like white and black. So the soil had to be particularly black, and these lovely birch trees that are white and very frothy. So it's a very simplistic design, but one that I hope will just make people think. And if it does that, then it's done what it's supposed to do.